मैं कम से कम अपनी भाषा से शुरू करूँगा कि अंग्रेजी से, तो ना आपकी भाषा और अंग्रेजी भाषा। The Foundation for Nonviolent Alternatives welcomes you all to this event titled Charting the Course in India's Strategic Role in the Future. I, on behalf of FNVA, welcome the panelists, audience, and members of the organizing team and our honored guests today. His Eminence the Kunjing Rinpoche, who shall be presenting us with the validation speech later in the day. We also have Ambassador Kawasuba, who will be joining us a little later, who despite a busy schedule continue to support our initiatives and shall be giving the keynote address. We are also fortunate to have with us the former Kalun Tripura and one of the co-founders of the Tibetan Youth Congress, Tandon Namgyal, who is part of the core team of Future of Tibet. This one-day event explores Tibet's future through the lens of India from a geopolitical, cultural, and social level. As many are aware, FNVA's primary focus centers on Tibet and consequently on China. FNVA was established with the mission of conducting objective research and analysis regarding India's security, which is intricately linked to contemporary developments in China and Tibet. To this end, we have been diligently organizing a series of podcasts aimed at capturing the diverse perspectives of Tibetans on various aspects of current situation. FNVA hopes to help shape policy in this area through dialogue, webinars, seminars, research, podcast, policy briefs, and publications. The weaponization of the One China policy has been our most recent seminar, whereby we brought scholars from around the world in deliberating how China utilizes this very policy for their diplomatic benefits. It's almost a one-way traffic. Whether others believe in it or not, whether they have accepted it or not, but it goes on as One China policy. In the year 2023, FNVA proudly unveiled a significant policy document entitled Resetting India's Tibet Policy. This has been really a very major work, and we did not even let COVID interfere with our work. It was actually during the COVID period that I and my colleague Rebon Banerjee continued to work on this very important document. It took nearly 2 years to complete it, but has been rated as a very comprehensive document on resetting India's Tibet policy. We have covered the past, we have also covered the present situation, we have given the background of the United Nations discussion, etc. And then we have given a number of recommendations, practically covering all the areas, many of which could be implemented even without any financial or administrative implications. But it does require a strong will on the part of doers to see that those recommendations are really accepted and implemented. So it is to serve as a guiding beacon for long-term considerations concerning the complex dynamics between India, Tibet, and China, with a primary emphasis on seeking peaceful resolutions. You know, particularly India's stake is becoming more and more important. United Nations is hardly United Nations. Earlier it was a divided nations, and now it is a dysfunctional nations. It has non-functional nations. It hardly is able to implement any policy decision. It is left to the powers in the world to to take their own decision. Whether it was a war in Iraq, when the USA wanted to do whatever they wanted to do, they did it. And now in Russia and Ukraine, we have seen that there is no impact on them of any powers or of any bloc. And the same is happening on Israel and Hamas. Thousands and thousands of children and women are being killed for, I don't know for what purpose. But there is no sound advice or voice that can be coming from the United Nations, except they saying yes, peace is required, but then there is no effort on that part. So India's stake definitely is it because it is, words are heard with respect now. It is considered a wise country. So that is how India's role becomes important, and particularly in the case of Tibet and China, it is extremely important because it covers our security, and national security interests. So it is with this view that we are standing with the Tibetans to organize this one-day seminar, and we hope that the discussions and the interactions that take place here will certainly provide a path to go forward. Thank you very much.